Hello everyone. I want to explore the locus definition of an ellipse. So under Google I just typed in what is an ellipse, and this website from cutthenot.org came up, and you can see there's several different definitions. And down here under definition number 3, I've already have it highlighted. It says the ellipse is the locus of points, the sum of whose distance to the two given points is constant. So that's a lot of words. I want to try to create a picture under GeoGebra that will give us a better sense of that locus definition. So let me go ahead and get rid of my web browser here. And I've already started a GeoGebra picture to try to give a visual meaning to these words. And here I have that same definition right up here. I have created a line segment AB. And I put a point somewhere in between point A and point B, and I can slide point C back and forth. And as I slide point C back and forth, that makes the blue line segment longer and makes the black line segment smaller. But if you notice those two distances, the black plus the blue is always constant. And that is something that I want, because I want two distances whose sum is always constant, and I have that going on right here. So let's see how I can take this little line segment and create an ellipse out of it. I'm going to plop down two other points, and these are my two given points. If you look up here under the definition, it says two given points. These are going to be my two given points. I want to create all the points that have the distance A to C from point D. I'm going to do that by creating a circle. So let me go up here, and I'm going to select circle with center and radius. So I want to use that as the center, and the radius that I want to use is that right there. Oops. B. Okay. And now I want to do the same thing, but I want to use point E, and I want to use C as my, there it is. So I'm going to slide this over just a little bit. So here's what I claim. These 2 points of intersection right here, these 2 points, let me actually go ahead and create the points of intersection. Intersect between that circle and that circle. Those 2 points, point F and point G, no matter how I move point C around, point F and point G, the sum of the distance from D to F and the sum of the distance from F to E is always held constant. Because after all, from D to F is always the same as from A to C. And from F to E is always the same from C to B. That distance plus this distance is always constant. So let's see if I can go ahead and create then the parts of the ellipse. So I want to find the locus of that point as that moves around. There's the top half of the ellipse. I want to find the locus of that point as C moves around. There's the bottom half of the ellipse. So there we go. We have just used the locus definition to create an ellipse. Thank you very much. See you next time.